A man is standing and watching the train passing through him. The train runs on the track. The tracks are parallel to each other. The person and the tracks lie on the same plane. Let us consider the man in east-west direction and in north-south direction. Here, east-west is represented as the x-axis and the north-south is represented as the y-axis. Now consider the tracks as parallel lines and name the lines as L1 and L2. The line L1 makes an angle theta 1 with x-axis and the line L2 makes an angle theta 2 with x-axis. Let L1 and L2 are parallel. Let theta 1 is equal to theta 2. Taking the tangent value, we get tan theta 1 is equal to tan theta 2. Here, m is equal to tan theta, which represent the slope of the line. Since m1 is equal to m2, the slopes of the line are equal. Thus, non-vertical parallel lines have equal slopes. Conversely, let the slopes are equal, then m1 is equal to m2, which implies tan theta 1 is equal to tan theta 2. Theta 1 is equal to theta 2. Let L1 and L2 are parallel. Corresponding angles are equal. Thus, non-vertical lines having equal slopes are parallel. Thus, non-vertical lines are parallel if and only if their slopes are equal. Similarly, the track is taken as L1 and the base of the track is taken as L2. And these are cutting each other in perpendicular and it makes an angle 90 degree. Line L1 makes an angle theta 1 with x-axis and the slope m1 of the line L1 is tan theta 1. In the same way, the line L2 makes an angle theta 2 with x-axis and the slope m2 of the line L2 is tan theta 2. Then m1 is equal to tan theta 1 and m2 is equal to tan theta 2. Now, in this triangle ABC, sum of the angles is 180 degree. Angle ACB plus 90 degree plus theta 1 is equal to 180 degree. Angle ACB is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree minus theta 1. Angle ACB is equal to 90 degree minus theta 1. Angle ACB is equal to 90 degree minus theta 1. Now, let us measure slope of the line L2 through angles theta 2 and 90 degree minus theta 1, which are opposite to each other. So, theta 2 makes the positive direction with x-axis and at the same time 90 degree minus theta 1 makes the negative direction with x-axis. So, the positive direction of x-axis gives positive tan theta 2 is equal to negative direction of x-axis minus tan of 90 degree minus theta 1, which implies tan theta 2 is equal to minus tan of 90 degree minus theta 1, which is equal to minus cot theta 1. Tan theta 2 is equal to minus 1 by tan theta 1. Tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 is equal to minus 1, that is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. When the line L1 is perpendicular to the line L2, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, by conclusion, if m1 is equal to m2, then m1 and m2 are parallel. Similarly, if m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, then m1 to m2 are perpendicular.